Hi, bestie. Welcome to my channel. My name is Miss Rula, also known as Karen. If you're new here, welcome. I have some Happy Mail. One is from Rose Shadow Collection. I placed the order last month, and then I want to give away from Ron DeVoe. So if you're a planner girl, you love all the things planner related, this video just might be for you. So let me go ahead and get this Rose Shadow package open, and I'm gonna share with you what I got. Let me know how you're doing. Hopefully all is well with you and yours. Alright, so I got the things out the package. I got this package a few days ago. Alright, so let's get into let's go ahead and get this open so you can see what I got. And if you purchase anything from Rose Shadow Collection, save 15% off with my code Karen15, and I'll have the information in my description if you're interested. Alright, so this right here is the thank you card here. And it's the size, it's a postcard, so I think I'm going to make this into a dashboard because I really love the design on this. So let me get my hole puncher. And that's the great thing about if you do use the CP Petite planner from Haunted Paper. When you get your postcards from different companies that you place your order, if they have a beautiful design like this thank you postcard here from Rose Shadow Collection, typically I would just go ahead and make it into a dashboard. And that's what I'm going to do with this. And then I just have to decide on which CP Petite setup I want to add it to. Alright, let me get these holes on here. And that's the great thing. Because this is absolutely beautiful. And I think I'm going to add that one to my black one. But I did end up getting this dashboard because I am in my blue phase. And I thought it would be perfect to add to my current CP Petite that I'm currently using. So I'm looking forward to adding that. And I'll probably just do another video as I set that up. Alright, so let's go ahead and get this open. I did end up ordering some magnetic pens from Lena. And let's see which ones. Alright, so I got this one here. I got both of the hearts that she recently released. And I cannot wait for her to release her Louis Vuitton box later on this year. She told me it will be in the fall. And so this is the other heart that I got. Really, really nice. When it comes to my Louis pens, I really love Lena's. The quality of hers is really nice, and I like the designs. And I did end up getting this charm. Not sure what I'm gonna add that charm to yet. Really not sure. I'm not sure if I want to add it to my agenda or I can add it to, I don't know, my purse. I'm not sure yet. But if you did get this charm, let me know where did you add your charm at. So let me get my planner so I can show you which planner I want to add this to. So yeah, I want to add that dashboard to that CP Petite. And let me show you where I plan on adding my magnetic pens that I just got. I have some LV notebooks that I have. And I was like, when I saw that, I was like, it'll be perfect to add it. So I was thinking about adding that to this notebook here. And let me get my other notebook. And then this one for this one. And then I might end up adding it to a planner. Not sure. But when I purchased it, I was thinking about adding it to my notebooks. Alright, so now that I showed you what I plan on doing with those items from Rose Shadow Collection, let me open up this package. This is the giveaway that I won from Ron DeVoe. I was so excited. Last week, I think it was on Friday, Ron had did a live showing her new products that's releasing this week. And she ended up doing a giveaway at the end of her live. And I was praying, guys. I was like, God, please, please let me win this because my money is kind of tight right now. And I was like, please, please, if it's for me, hopefully that I will win it. And I was just totally shocked when she called my name. And I'm just absolutely grateful and absolutely excited. This is my first time actually winning on a live, so I'm so excited. So these are all the sticker journal stickers that I've won. Like, wow, that is absolutely a lot. Alright, so I want to share with you all the stickers just in case if you didn't see her live so you can see what's included. And they're absolutely beautiful. Absolutely. And I'm just so absolutely grateful that I won this and I cannot wait to start using these stickers. Oh my gosh, I'm still just really excited. These are just so pretty. Look at them. This is so pretty. And I have to decide, I haven't decided on which one is my absolutely favorite, but I cannot wait to add these to my planners and my setup, and then I'm going to add them to my journal. These are just gorgeous, and I just love this idea that she created with these junk journal stickers. Look at this. The washi. This beautiful. This is just gorgeous. Ron Ron and her team have been creating some really nice products. And I remember when I first discovered Ron Ron years ago. And it was before she had her Happy Planner deal. Cause I used to see like her mugs and things in Marshalls and TJ Maxx. And that's when I started purchasing her items. But then when she had got that Happy Planner collab many, many years ago, I just, oh my gosh, I even fell in love with her products even more. But since she's done that collab and she started creating her own sticker books, her own monthly sticker sets and stuff, it's just been absolutely perfect. So this is available on Ron website today. And I know she's having a sale. I know she's having a sale because it's her 12th year anniversary. So make sure to check her out. But these are so pretty. This pink set is gorgeous. And one thing I've noticed, even when I saw this online, none of the sets are the same, which is perfect. Love this. I cannot wait to add this to my journal. And I'm trying to decide if I'm going to use any of these for my July monthly layout. Because the stickers are not too big and I definitely can use some of these. So, I mean, there's paper stickers. But yeah. So I have a few more packs to open. But I absolutely love these. Now, when I saw the unboxing, I think the Wild at that time was my favorite. But actually, looking at all of them after she did the unboxing, I love all of them. I love all of the colors too. And I'm just glad that I have the options to choose from because it just depends on my mood. And I remember during the live, I was asking if she had blue because I had seen the red, the pink, the wild. And then she was like, wait, I might have it. Alright, so here's the wild. And I always love her stickers with the leopard print. Always have and always will. I see all the different designs that she has. And the great thing, because she does have the different styles and the different colors. If you want your favorite color, she does have a lot of our favorite colors in these junk journal stickers. I cannot wait to use these. I'll definitely be using these in the fall, or if I go through one of my leopard print vibes during the summer, I'll probably be using some of these as well. Just depend on my mood at the time. And those frames are perfect for junk journaling. Now, I know there has been different things on social media with junk journal, because you know, as planner girls, we love stickers and things like that. But I remember a few people talking about, some people in the community was like, well, that's just decorative planning. That's not junk journaling, actually. You know, it is what it is, and it is what you make it. And I know when I've done my junk journaling in the past, I definitely use stickers, you know? And it's just each his own in your preference. And when I saw this one online, this is the one that had strawberries in it, and it definitely reminded, my granddaughter loves strawberry. Then it also gave me like a Valentine's Day love vibe with this one. I love this. I really love the washi tape with the bowls. And the cake that's on here kind of remind me of like birthday. And that is it for this pack. So I'm almost done, besties. I'm almost done. And so she did include a blue too, as well. Alright, so here is the blue junk drawing. And when she had said that during the live, she was saying, wait, I was wondering what color blue will she use? Because sometimes it's just hard for us blue lovers to get blue stickers or nice stickers in the community. So I'm glad that she decided to include blue. And you know, there's so many different shades of blue. And this blue right here is just so calming. And I can't wait to use it. I probably end up using this one. I'm trying to decide if I want to use this one in July on my monthly, because I'm trying to decide what color scheme that I want to do for July. It's definitely going to have blue in it, but and I'm thinking I might end up using these. I might just go with this shade of blue. So this one did not have the washi bowls. You know, like several other packs had the washi bowls on it, whereas this one didn't. Alright, it looks like I have, what, 2 more packs to go, and then I'm finished, besties. Let me know in the comments if you're planning on getting any of these junk journal stickers from Wrong Wrong DeVoe. And if you are planning on getting it, are you getting all of them, or is there something specific or a certain one that stood out the most for you? Let me know in the comments. Alright, so let's go ahead and flip through these. And see, this one, I like the color scheme. It's like a pastel color theme with this one. And that's what I was saying. She has something for everyone. Because when I was thinking about this, I was thinking about yellow. And then we do have the yellow that's in this particular one. These bows are just so cute. Oh my gosh, I'm in awe of the bows. I love the bows. Well, I love all of them, really. And right now, like I said, when I started Live, the Wild was like my favorite, one of my favorites. But I think I like all of them because I definitely can use something in all of the sticker sheets. So, are there any other shops that have junk journal stickers, besties? Let me know in the comments so I can check them out. And then also, if some other people might be interested in junk journal stickers, let me know because I'm not very sure about that. Alright, so this is the last pack, and this is the purple thing. Oh, yeah, and this is the glam one that has the gems, the bling bling, and the stickers. And the color scheme reminds me of one of the sticker books that I have from Ron Ron DeVoe. So you have the washi in this one as well. So I have to decide on which one I want to start using first. But that's basically it for my Happy Meal today. And I'm just so grateful and thankful for Ron Ron and selecting me to win this awesome pack of junk journaling stickers. Can't wait to use those. And of course, Rose Shower Collection. That's my girl Lena. She has a new release that's dropped in with her Chanel box on Friday. Check her out. I have both shops' information in my description. And if you're not subscribed, please subscribe. And don't forget to engage with me in the comments, bestie. Tap the thumbs up, turn your notification to all so you know when I get some more Happy Mail or whatever else I plan to do. Alright, bestie. Have an awesome day. Toodles!